Hello, welcome to my channel. So I just want to do a quick video on how to remove a bumper on an Audi A6. So I've undone everything really that I needed to undo, so I know how it comes off. So I'm just going to quickly run you through what I've undone. So you've got this cover here, that's on there. Undo the two clips. So you take them off, you angle this out. So that's the cover. That just goes over the front there, access to the radiator. There's a Torx there you undo. Obviously the same on this side. So I'll just show you on one side and you just repeat it on the other side. So you need to take the dirt shield out. So you just take the dirt shield out from under there. It's various Torx, a couple of clips and some 10mm to do that. So this is the bits that have come out of there. Just get the light on it. So they're the Torx. You've got some 10mm plastic, 10mm, and that's a 10mm that goes up through there, up into the wing. So you've got, just get the light again. So you've got a couple of 10mm go up there that hold the side of the bumper on, and then the main one that's a pain in the ass that will probably baffle a few people is you've got a 10mm that goes through the back there. See that hole there? I'll just try and hold this light to show you. This hole, if you get through there with an extension on a ratchet, there's a 10mm through there, and that holds this together here. So that's this 10mm. So that's pretty much. There's a few, obviously there's your Torx that run along the bottom of the bumper, and that's it really. So Torx along the bottom of the bumper. There's that shield needs removing that gives you access to the grille over there, and then obviously you need a dirt shield out. So that's a dirt shield there. Get that out, and then that just gives you more room, gives you better access to in here really. I want it out the way anyway because I'm going to be painting this wing. So yeah. So I hope this helps. How to remove the front bumper on an Audi A6. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.